Trading with indicator-based strategies typically involves placing multiple indicators on your chart and then waiting for the entry conditions to align across those indicators. More often than not, waiting for the entry conditions to line up across 3 or 5 indicators can mean spending hours staring at your charts. But what if there was a way to automate this process? Well, it turns out there actually is. In this video, we're going to talk about an indicator called the DIY Custom Strategy Builder. This tool can combine multiple indicators into a single strategy that generates buy and sell signals as soon as the entry conditions align across the different indicators. Without further ado, let's dive in. First, let's add the DIY Custom Strategy Builder to a chart. To do that, open the Indicator Search tab and type in DIY Custom Strategy. Make sure to select the one by this amazing author. Big shout out to him or her or them, by the way. The DIY Custom Strategy Builder is an all-in-one indicator designed for the TradingView platform. It consolidates over 30 well-known indicators, allowing users to mix and match them to create custom trading strategies. Now, looking at this indicator, you might be wondering, how does this combine multiple indicators into a single strategy and generate buy and sell signals? Well, to answer that, let's assume you have a strategy that uses 3 indicators: a 200 period EMA, the super trend indicator, and the MACD indicator. For example, the conditions for entering a long trade might be that you want a long signal from the super trend indicator, the signal candle to close above the 200 period EMA, and MACD histogram to be colored green. Once these conditions align on one candle, like here, you enter a long position. You do the opposite for a short position as well. Such a strategy would require you to manually check every long signal generated by the super trend indicator to confirm if the other indicators are also aligned, which could keep you glued to your charts for hours. If you don't like spending long hours staring at your charts, that's where the DIY Custom Strategy Builder comes into play. Now let's recreate this same strategy using the strategy builder and have it automatically generate buy and sell signals whenever all the entry conditions are met. To do that, we'll open the indicator settings. Here's how this indicator works. First, you select your main indicator, also known as the signal or leading indicator. You have over 30 different indicators to choose from. After selecting your leading indicator, you can choose multiple confirmation indicators, also called filter indicators, again with over 30 options. Then you can go down to the switchboard and turn on the indicators you've selected. This will display those indicators on your chart. The DIY Custom Strategy Builder allows you to overlay up to 14 different indicators on your chart, providing a visual representation of their behavior over time. Below that, you'll find options to adjust settings of each indicator you've selected. For example, if one of your chosen indicators is the range filter, you can modify settings like the source, period, multiplier, etc. Our strategy uses 3 indicators: the EMA, super trend, and MACD. To recreate it with the Custom Strategy Builder, we'll start by selecting the leading indicator, which will be the super trend. After that, we'll choose the EMA and MACD as the confirmation or filter indicators. The EMA is right here, and you can adjust the length if needed. Our previous strategy used a 200 period EMA, so we'll keep that setting. Then we'll scroll down and activate the MACD. Under the MACD options, you'll find the MACD crossover and the zero line crossover. We'll stick with the MACD crossover and the default settings, but if we needed to change anything, we could scroll down to the MACD section and adjust parameters like the fast length, slow length, etc. That's basically it. As you can see, this table shows everything we've selected. The leading indicator is the super trend, and confirmation indicators are the EMA and MACD. Doing this alone will generate buy and sell signals on your chart, but there's still a lot going on. Yes, we have the buy and sell signals, but we also have all these zones and lines drawn on the chart. To clean it up, let's go back to the indicator settings, scroll down to the switchboard, and disable the supply demand zones, PVSR, and market sessions. Then we'll enable the indicators we selected earlier. We'll activate the super trend and EMA. Since there are multiple EMAs coded into this indicator, we'll specify that we only want the 200 period EMA displayed. We'll disable the others and leave just the 200 period EMA checked, which will show us as a white line on the chart. The MACD isn't displayed on the main chart, but in a separate window. So we'll need to go to the indicator search tab, type in MACD and select it. Then we'll double click on it and uncheck the MACD and signal line options. And there you go. This is our setup. Now the indicator will print a long or short signal whenever all the entry conditions align. For example, here the super trend shows bullish momentum. The price closed above the white moving average, which is the 200 EMA, and the MACD histogram is green. For short signal, the super trend aligns with bearish momentum. The price closes below the 200 period EMA and the MACD histogram is red. All the signals being produced are valid, which is exactly what we want. If a signal isn't valid, like here, where the super trend switched to bearish momentum but the price was above the moving average, the DIY custom strategy builder doesn't generate a signal, which is perfect. Now you might notice that sometimes the entry conditions are met but no signal is generated. For example, here the super trend aligned with bearish momentum, the price was below the 200 period EMA and the MACD histogram was red, but no short signal was generated. Why? Well, I'll explain, but first I want to introduce you to my trading family at Bybit, and to do that I hand you over to my friend Michael.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
Alright, back to the video. The reason no short signal was generated here, despite all the conditions being met, is because of a feature in this indicator called alternate signals. This feature alternates between short and long signals. If the current signal is short, the next signal will be long, meaning it will ignore all short signals until a long signal is printed. Of course, if you want to take all short signals without altering, you can turn this option off. You can also reduce the signal expiry candle count to 1, which means that the indicator will wait for a maximum of 1 candle for all conditions to align. Personally, I prefer all conditions to align on 1 candle, so I set it to 1. I also like the position of the table to be in the top right corner, so we'll change that. After that, click OK. Now, as you can see, the indicator has combined these 3 indicators to create a strategy for us. When all the conditions are met, it generates a short or long signal, but you'll still need to wait for the signal to be printed before entering a position. To make this more autonomous, we can set alerts. If you click on the 3 dots here, there's an option to add alerts. The DIY custom strategy builder has 2 alerts options. A buy alert, which notifies you when a long signal is printed, and a sell alert, which notifies you when a short signal is printed. To set a buy alert, click on it, choose to trigger it once per bar or once per bar close. Set the expiration to future time, give it a name like buy alert, add an alert message, and click create. Setting a sell alert works the same way. With this, you'll get notifications every time an alert is printed, so you don't have to stare at your chart every minute. And there you have it, a really interesting indicator you can use to partially automate your trading strategies. But here's my gift to you, my friend, who's watching the video until this moment. If you want to learn how to turn all of this into a bot, all for free, make sure to check the recommended videos on your screen. Believe me, you will thank me later. Feel free to explore the DIY Customer Strategy Builder and experiment with different indicator combinations to create your own strategies. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. That's it for this video. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, hit that like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.